Healthy Breakfast Nutritionist. Welcome to my channel, Purely BioFit, your daily dose of health, wellness, and smart living. Today, we're diving into something that can literally shape your entire day: breakfast. Ever wondered what a nutritionist actually eats in the morning? What gives them energy, clear thinking, and stable blood sugar all day? Buffalo, stay with me, because I'm revealing the top 5 healthy breakfast habits nutritionists swear by. Segment 1. Why breakfast matters. Breakfast is not just the first meal, it's the most important. It jumpstarts your metabolism, stabilizes blood sugar, and gives your brain the fuel it needs to focus. Skipping breakfast can lead to cravings, fatigue, and even weight gain. Understanding. Segment 2. Nutritionist-Approved breakfast formula. A balanced breakfast includes these 4 key elements. 1. Protein. Keeps you full. Examples: eggs, Greek yogurt, nuts. 2. Healthy fats. For brain and heart health. Examples: avocado, chia seeds. 3. Fiber-rich carbs. For digestion and sustained energy. Examples: oats, whole grains, fruits. 4. Hydration. Start with a glass of warm water or lemon water. This combination keeps you energized for hours without a sugar crash. Segment 3. Example breakfast ideas. Here are 3 simple, delicious breakfast ideas approved by top nutritionists. 1. Oatmeal bowl. Rolled oats with almond milk, topped with banana, walnuts, and honey. 2. Avocado toast. Whole grain toast with mashed avocado, egg, and olive oil drizzle. 3. Protein smoothie. Blend spinach, banana, peanut butter, chia seeds, and protein powder. All these are quick, affordable, and loaded with nutrients. On Segment 4. Smart carbohydrates. Goal: provide energy and fuel your brain. Examples: oats, porridge, overnight oats, whole grain bread or roti, sweet potatoes, fresh fruits, banana, apple, berries. Bonus segment. Perfect breakfast. Example: 2 eggs, protein, 1 slice whole grain toast, carbs, 1 teaspoon peanut butter, healthy fat, 1 apple, fiber, 1 glass warm lemon water, hydration. Common mistakes to avoid. Avoid sugary cereals, white bread, or skipping breakfast completely. These cause energy crashes and can harm your gut health. Also, avoid drinking too much tea or coffee on an empty stomach. It can cause acidity. Conclusion. Now you know how to build the perfect breakfast. Start your day with the right fuel, and your body will thank you. If you learned something new, hit that like button, subscribe my channel Purely BioFit, and share this with someone who always skips breakfast.